Okay, hello, and I just wanted to show you something which I've made for all you people. Okay, here it is. It's a Game Maker 8 Pro setup, which I've made. Okay, let's see, and here we go. It takes a little while to download. It's 8 meg, MB, whatever. But yeah, it works, it's good. I've used it. So yeah, let's just wait for it. Okay, nearly done now. I hope to make more videos like this in the near future, as I like them. Okay, here we go. Just press run there and allow. Just press OK, and you go through your setup. I've already got this installed, so then you'll click install and you'll have Game Maker 8 Pro. So yeah, link will be down below. Please rate and thumbs up or whatever, comment and subscribe. Thank you, people.